Dear students, today we are going to discuss one of the important property of triangle, that is congruency of triangles. Before that, we are discussing what is congruent shapes. What is the meaning of the congruent shapes? What are the figures are congruent? That is we are discussing first of all. For that, let's see the following pair of objects. First one is a pair of flowers, then a pair of cars, then after a circle and an oval shape, then after two different stars you can see, then we have polygon, one pentagon, one hexagon, then a rectangle and a triangle and a rectangle. In general, what are the observations you are getting from here? Yes, we can observe that all the pairs of objects are different in shapes. Am I right? All the pairs, you can see here, all the pairs of objects are different in shapes. Okay, let's again you can observe some sets of pairs of objects. Okay, here you can see a pair of flower, a pair of cars, a pair of circle, a pair of pentagon, a pair of rectangle and a pair of triangle. In this collection, what are your observation? Now you can see that all the objects are in the same shape. Correct? All are in same shape. But all are in same size? No. All are in the same shape only, but there are different in sizes. Am I right? Okay, let's see one more collection of sets of objects. Yes, we have a pair of flower, then after a pair of cars, a pair of circle, a pair of pentagon, a pair of rectangle and a pair of triangles. Let's see what we can combine with the last collection. Here we can observe that all the pairs are same shape. Right? All are same. Triangle, rectangle, pentagon, circle, all are the same shape only. Not only same shape, we can observe that all are the same sizes also. Am I right? Same size and same shape. This is what is congruent shapes. Now let's define congruent shapes. Congruent shapes have same shape and same sizes. The shapes which are same and the sizes also same, then we can say it as congruent shapes. Let's see further some more examples. Circles with the same radii. If the radius is same, then different pairs of circles are congruent. Again you can see squares with the same edges, equal edges are congruent. See, different squares, but all the edges are equal in length. So it is a congruent figure. Let's see again, equilateral triangle with the same edges, equal edges. That also example for congruent shapes. So I believe that all of you clear about the congruent figures. Once again, congruent figures are which have the same shape as well as same size. Got it? Yes, students, now we are going to check the congruency on triangles. So far what we said congruent shapes only. Now we are focusing onto the triangle congruency on triangle. How the congruency on triangles? When we can say two triangles are congruent, for that we have some certain criteria, some rules are there, congruency rules are there. How two triangles are become congruent, for that we have to see some certain criteria, some certain congruency rule. There are so many rules are there, we are discussing one by one. First criteria is side congruency rule or SSS congruency rule. Let's see the triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here the side AB is equal to side PQ. Side BC is equal to side QR. and side CA is equal to side RP. See, once again, side AB respectively, the side of the first triangle ABC, the triangle ABC, the side AB is equal to the second triangle PQR, PQ. Respectively, all other two sides also equal into the second triangle AB, PQR. That means all the three sides of the triangle ABC are correspondingly equal to all the three sides of the triangle PQR. Got it? So we can say that by side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. How we can notate? We are introducing one new symbol. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. The symbol is congruent to. How we can read? Congruent to. Once again, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, this property is called SSS congruency rule. Two triangles are said to be congruent if three sides of a triangle is equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle, then we can say that the two triangles are congruent. That is what is called SSS congruency rule. Now consider two triangles. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Let triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, and triangle PQR. This is triangle PQ and R. Suppose these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruency rule. So then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is the symbol of congruency. We already said congruent to triangle PQR. Then we know that by SSS criteria, these two are congruent. Then definitely each corresponding sides are equal. We can say that AB, the side AB is equal to, respectively equal to the side PQ. And side BC is equal to QR. And side AC is equal to PR. So all the three sides are equal. Not only the sides. Here we can say the corresponding angles also. The angle at A, this is the angle at A, that will be equal to the angle at P in the second triangle. So respectively the angles also equal. So we know that all the triangles have 6 parts, 3 sides and 3 angles. If two triangles are congruent means all the corresponding parts are equal. So we can see that all the sides are equal as well as all the angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So here we can see all the sides as well as all the angles are correspondingly equal. This is what is called CPCT, or we can say corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. What we can say? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So if we are saying two triangles are congruent, then CPCT will always hold. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. What are the corresponding parts? All the 3 sides and all the 3 angles. This is about SSS congruency rule. Now we have to see other criteria for congruency of triangles that we will discuss in the next class. I hope all of you understood the SSS congruency rule. So next class we will discuss next criteria. Thank you.